Hello, welcome to this Vinyasa flow. This is a full body practice. We will focus on strength, some mobility, some flexibility. There's no props needed for this class, and it's for all levels. This is really something that you can do just about any day. So when you're ready to go, join me in a seated position on your mat. Maybe you take a second to close the eyes here. We set aside any of the things that we need to do today and just connect to the breath for the next couple minutes. When you're ready, open the eyes. Join me in a tabletop position. Tuck the toes under. Slide the hands closer to the knees. We'll begin with a wrist warm up here. So let's begin to rock forward and back. Placing some weight into the hands. Keeping the arms straight. Externally rotating the arms. Good. Externally rotate the hands now so the fingers are pointed to the long edge of the mat and begin to rock left and right. Now turn the fingers so that they are pointed towards the knees and slowly lean back here. No rocking. You can bend the arms or peel the palms off the mat slightly. Whatever feels good. Shake the hands out. And come on to the backs of the hands here, fingers pointed towards each other. See if you can straighten the arms. Again, placing a bit of weight into the wrists. Reset the hands into a tabletop position. Maybe you untuck the toes, maybe you don't. Let's begin to warm up the spine through some spinal segmentations. As you inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. Exhale, head goes down, round the spine. Inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. Exhale, round down. 3 more like this on your own. Moving breath to movement. Let's begin to find a neutral spine here. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal your feet out here, stretching through the calves, the hamstrings. Maybe sliding side to side. Whatever movements feel good to you. All the while, continue to really push the ground away, feeling the weight on the inner edge of the hand. Now let's begin to find some stillness here. Knees can stay bent, heels lifted slightly. Look to the front of your mat. On your next inhale, walk forward. Exhale to fold forward. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up. Hands touch overhead. Exhale to fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, rise up slowly. Hands touch overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest, lean back slightly. Inhale, arms go back up, touch overhead. And exhale, round down, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And as you exhale, plant the hands and step both feet back. On your inhale, shift the weight forward. And as you exhale, lower the knees, then lower the chest, chaturanga. Inhale, peel the chest off the mat. Slide the arms forward and prop up onto your elbows. Sphinx pose. Push into the elbows here and draw the chest more forward. Relax the glutes and the lower back. Breathe into the lower back as you feel the traction on the spine. Reset the hands by the chest. Curl the toes under. Hips go up and back. Downward facing dog. Reconnect to the breath here. Good. On your next inhale, right leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward. Knee goes to the right elbow. Pause here. Good. On your next exhale, slowly step the right foot on the outside of the right hand for lizard lunge. On your next exhale, straighten the right leg. Push the hips up and back to pyramid pose. Then on your inhale, come back down to lizard lunge. Again, as you exhale, push the hips back, straighten the front leg. Then inhale, come back to lizard lunge. 2 more like this. Exhale. Inhale forward. Exhale back, pyramid. Inhale forward, lizard lunge. Plant the hands, step the right foot up and over the left calf. Right arm goes up and over the head, wild thing. Gauge the glutes here, push the hips to the sky, look to the inside edge of the left hand, then pick your right foot up and step it to the front of the mat. On your next inhale, both arms go up, crescent lunge. Find your balance here. Bend in the back knee, curling the tailbone under, arms straight on the inhale. And as you exhale, sink your chest all the way down until it hovers just above the right knee. Reconnect to the breath here. The lower you go is the more challenging this posture will be. Good, then slowly start to shift your weight forward and pick the left leg up off the mat for warrior 3. Drop the left hip down slightly. Continue to engage the glutes, kick the leg up higher. Lift the arms straight forward. Good. On your next inhale, sweep the left knee up high. Connect the right hand to the left knee. Extend the left arm behind you and twist open to the left. You fall out here. Just get back into the pose. We'll begin to flow breath to movement here. So take a big inhale here. As you exhale, step all the way back into a lunge. Inhale, both arms go back up, crescent lunge. And as you exhale, drop the back heel down, open up into warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior, right hand comes up and over the head. And as you exhale, the right elbow goes to the right knee, extend the left arm over the head. As you inhale, Skandasana to the left, just halfway. And then exhale, move to the front of the mat, plant both hands down, step the right foot back. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, push the chest up, up dog. And exhale, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Let it out through the mouth. On your next inhale, left leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, left knee to left elbow. Pause here. Good. On your next exhale, step the left foot on the outside of the left hand as we land in lizard lunge. And as you exhale, push the hips up and back, straighten the right leg, straighten the left leg as we land in pyramid. Inhale, come forward to lizard lunge. And then exhale, push the hips back again to pyramid. 2 more like this. Inhale, forward to lizard. Exhale, straighten the leg, pyramid. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, back to pyramid. Good. Come forward as we land in lizard. Really plant the hands down here. Step the left foot up and over the right calf. Left hand comes up and over the head for wild thing. Push the hips up, squeeze the glutes. Look to the inside edge of the right hand. Pick up the left leg. Step to the front of the mat. Then inhale, both hands come up. Crescent lunge. Bend the back knee, curl the tailbone under. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, sink deeper. On your next exhale, chest comes down so it hovers right above the knee. Arms stay straight. Breathe here. Continue to shift the weight forward. Kick the right leg off the mat. Warrior 3. Tilt the right hip down slightly. Inhale, sweep the right knee high. Grab hold of the right knee with the left hand. Extend the right arm behind you, then twist open to the right. We'll begin to find some breath to movement here. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, step the right foot all the way to the back of the mat. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, drop the right heel down, open up into warrior 2. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Left hand comes up and over the head. As you exhale, left knee connects to the left elbow, right arm extends over the head. Inhale, Skandasana to the right, just halfway. Bend the right knee, left leg goes straight. Then as you exhale, move to the front of the mat. Plant both hands, send the left foot back. Inhale, shift forward. And exhale, lower down Chaturanga for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale. Out to the mouth. Reconnect to the breath. Look to the front of the mat. On your next inhale, walk forward. Hips, feet slightly apart. Sink the hips down. So you land in Malasana. So beneficial for the low back, for the knees. Come forward onto the knees. Rise up, hands on the low back. Inhale, lengthen here. And as you exhale, engage the glutes. Keep the core tight. Lean back slightly for camel pose. Continue to lengthen as you fall back, pushing into the glutes here. Breathing into the low back. Good. Inhale, rise up. Let's set the hips down, feet in front of us. Extend the legs up, arms in front of you, point the toes, boat pose. See if you can curl the tailbone under while you broaden the chest. Pause here. Just breathing. Shaking is good. It lets you know you're building strength. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the feet down. Set the hands down behind you, fingers pointed away. Slowly bend into the elbows and start to lower the back down until you notice that sensation in the front of the shoulders. Good. Extend the legs long, hands by your side here. Kick the legs up into the air, grab to the outer edge of the feet, happy baby. Move here in any way that feels good for you. Slightly massage out the low back by rocking side to side. Extend the legs long, arms by your side, roll the shoulder blades under as we land in Shavasana. Allow the breathing to return to normal. Maybe you close your eyes here. I would encourage you to stay here for as long as you need, at least 2 minutes. Let the body soak in the benefits of your practice. Again, stay for as long as you need. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.